You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Food name from France. In French it is said as feuilletine. Alright, I know it's a bit difficult, but let's break it down for non-French speakers. It's difficult. Feuille, meaning a sheet, like a sheet of paper. Feuilletine. Feuilletine. It's easy. Feuilletine. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.